welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Makeup Monday! You guys seem to really be enjoying Makeup Monday, so I'm back again, and today I have an eye makeup look. I'm trying to mix it up and not do the same thing each week and have like totally different things going on. Although I didn't realise, but I have actually used Makeup Revolution again, and literally my last couple of videos will have been Makeup Revolution, and my next few videos will be Makeup Revolution as well. I'm really sorry, that was an accident. Today's video was just supposed to be an everyday, quick, simple eye look, and this just happened to be the palette that I picked up, and it is a Revolution one, so that was completely an accident. I'm really sorry about that, guys. I am sorry, but yeah, I do use other makeup, just so you know. But yes, today's video is a quick, simple, everyday, sort of natural eye look using the Redemption palette, Iconic Dreams. This is what she looks like, and she's pretty. So if you're new here, thank you so much for watching. Feel free to hit the subscribe button, also the like button to anyone who enjoys this video, and yeah, let's get into the look. So I want to keep this quite natural-ish. I'm going to go, I'm thinking light today rather than like darks, if you know what I'm saying. Hope the lighting's alright, guys. I'll just move that. So, you know what, let's go in with this colour here, the second one from the end. Now my idea behind this is that it's quite a quick, simple look, which is why I've taken such a big brush. Because I'm kind of like, we ain't messing about, we're just getting it on the face. Now I'm going to take that one next to it, this like really chocolatey one, and I'm going to put that in the crease. Wow, that was so pigmented. And then this shade can also come underneath the eye, I'm thinking. I'm then going to take this one here, which is like a rose gold-ish, kind of like a palish rose gold, kind of. Hey. Oh, it's pretty. I'm just not taking it right up to the corner because I'm going to go in with one slightly lighter in the corner. Then I'm gonna take this one, second one along, which is like a shimmery light shade. I don't know how light it's gonna be, but yeah, that'll do. Does the job, didn't it? And then I'm just gonna take that on the brow bone as well. And that's it. I'm just going to put a little bit of mascara on, and then I shall be back. And that's the finished look, you guys. So it's not like the most natural ever. I do understand that. I think you guys who know me will know that this is quite good for me, because usually when I say I'm going to do a natural look, it's very not. It's worse than this. All I've got on my lips, literally, is just this Maybelline Baby Lips, and I know it's like, it's the orange one, and it's just like a cherry red, and it definitely does give you like a tinge of red. Not all of them do that, but this one does. And so yeah, like I feel like this is natural-ish. So I hope you enjoyed this look. I'm really pleased with this palette. I think it's a really cool little palette. I only use like 3-4 shades out of it, and yeah, obviously there's much more choice going on there. This is the Redemption palette in Iconic Dreams, just in case I didn't mention that, but I will mention it in the intro anyway. But yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and also if you have this palette, I have loads of these palettes. I got a lot of them like in the advent calendars and stuff, so I have like 5 or 6 different ones of these. So I thought, you know what, I need to pull one out. I need to do a nice, simple, quick, like it took me about 10 minutes to do the whole eye look. So nice and quick, first thing on the morning, whatever, you know, whatever you fancy. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe. We're aiming for 10k by Christmas, and I have got a big giveaway coming when I get to 10k. I'll introduce it when I get to 10k. But yes, thank you for watching. I love you so, so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!